Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make changes on your text on Weebly website. It's super easy and takes just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Select the website that you want to edit. From there, click on the option saying edit site so that you can customize your site. You can either edit your site using the mobile app or you can continue to the editor. You will be asked to select your domain name, but you can skip it for now if you click on the cross button. Now, to customize the text, look for the text that you want to customize and simply click on it. From there, you will get different options like making the text bold. The second option is making it italics. Third one, making an underline. You can change the size of the text by using plus or minus button. And the A button, it gives you options of different color which you can customize it. Similarly, the link button will give you access through which you can link your text to different options such as phone number, file, email or website URL. And this is how you can customize your text in Weebly. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you in the next one.